If you're anything like me, then you probably have a big bag of crypto and your mantra is just to hodl it. But you might be wondering in the back of your head, what good is crypto if you just hold it forever and pass it down to your kids and they pass it down to their kids? Or should you even spend your crypto? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at some places that you can actually spend your crypto. You might not want to spend it now, but just in case, let's take a deep dive into some places where crypto is accepted. Starting with number 1. Pavilion Resorts and Hotels. Now this place has a lot of different hotels and resorts in Europe and Asia. From places like Amsterdam, Rome, Bali, and Phuket, you can stay in one of these luxurious hotels. For example, here is a Bali hotel that looks really nice with nice warm weather and tropical trees. Now, if you do want to spend your cryptocurrency, you can actually email the reservation team and they do accept crypto. From Cardano, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and many more, they do accept crypto as well. Next up, we have AXA Insurance. Now, you probably never heard of this insurance company because they're in one country called Switzerland. Now, if you're not Swiss, then you probably don't have anything to do with this, but it's interesting to note because this company conducted market research and found in 2019 that nearly a third of their respondents aged 18 to 55 had either already invested in cryptocurrencies or were interested in doing so, and thus they launched their new crypto payment. Now, they only accept Bitcoin for now. Now, you can actually pay your insurance using Bitcoin. Now, they state on their website that crypto is just the beginning. Further payment options besides Bitcoin are set to go live in the near future, including Twint, which I'm not exactly sure what that is, but they do accept crypto because they believe in the digital technology for the future. And if you're a big fan of sipping on your vanilla mocha grande while you're sitting in a nice coffee shop, then you might be surprised to know that Bitcoin is accepted at Starbucks. Starbucks partnered with Bakkt, which launched its digital wallet app, and you can officially go to Starbucks and then buy your coffee with Bitcoin. You can do that by using the new Bakkt app to pay for drinks and goods at the coffee chain with converted Bitcoin. According to the app's creators, 500,000 people already took up the invitation-only early access program to test the digital wallet as a method of payment. Next up on this list is everyone's favorite company, and that is Tesla. So the company announced earlier in February of 2020 that it would accept Bitcoin payments for vehicle purchases in the United States alone. Now, this statement by Elon Musk was actually turned on its head when Tesla announced that Bitcoin transactions were to be put on hold until more than 50% of tokens are mined using renewable energy. Of course, nobody knows for sure when Tesla will accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for their own vehicles, but Elon Musk did make a tweet about accepting Dogecoin for merch, so he's generally toying with the idea of accepting more and more cryptocurrencies in the future. Next up on our list is Amazon. Now, you can't officially buy anything on Amazon with crypto. However, you can buy Amazon gift cards using a company called Bitrefill. Now, with Bitrefill, you can buy your gift card if you're in one of these countries below, and then when you buy your gift card, you can actually pay in Satoshis. Next up, we have Visa. Confirmed in March that it was piloting a scheme with platform Crypto.com, Visa now accepts cryptocurrency to settle transactions on its payment network, more specifically USD Coin or USDC. According to the official article on Visa.com, Visa becomes the first major payments network to settle transactions in USDC, and they partnered with none other than Crypto.com to do so. Next up, we have an airlines company accepting crypto back in 2014. In fact, this was the first aviation company in the world to accept Bitcoin as payment, and that is Air Baltic. Since 2014, Air Baltic has processed more than 1,000 Bitcoin transactions. You can now pay using Bitcoin to 60 destinations in Europe, the Middle East, Russia, and the CIS using Air Baltic. Number 8 on our list is none other than Sotheby's. Now, Sotheby's is a very big decorative art, jewelry, and collectibles broker. They sell a lot of art, and they have recently branched into digital art. Since it announced it now accepts cryptocurrency back in June of 2020, it accepted Bitcoin as payment for a rare 101 carat diamond, which sold in July for $12.3 million. The auction house will accept both Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment, although only accepted through certain approved exchange wallets, including Coinbase. In fact, just recently announced in November 11th, Sotheby's is to announce live bidding increments in Ethereum cryptocurrency for Banksy's Trolley Hunters and Love is in the Air artwork. If you're also a big fan of red fizzly drinks, then you are a Coca-Cola fan, and you might be surprised to find that Coca-Cola accepts Bitcoin. Well, only in Australia and New Zealand, that is. More than 2,000 vending machines in Australia and New Zealand will let customers purchase Coke products using Bitcoin, according to this CoinDesk article in 2020. Transactions are conducted via New Zealand-based CentraPay and Silo's Smart Wallet, which currently has about 250,000 users. Silo co-founder and business manager Dorian Johannink said for the Coke scenario, it's just supported for Bitcoin initially for the trial run, but we may extend the functionality. Number 10 on our list. Now, if you like sipping on fizzy drinks, you might be more surprised to know that you can sip on them while taking a nice bubble bath, because Lush accepts cryptocurrency. They actually began accepting cryptocurrency back in 2017. They started to allow Bitcoin payments for orders on their website through a partnership with BitPay.com. The brand said that accepting the currency was part of a wider strategy to delve into the blockchain community and provide an ethical viewpoint on its possibilities. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a little bit about where you can spend your cryptocurrency if you are ever going to. Now, I'd love to know a little bit about your opinion on cryptocurrency. Would you ever spend your cryptocurrency? And have you spent your cryptocurrency? And what exactly did you buy? Now, please join us on our Telegram group to learn more about DeFi, crypto, and everything in between. And stay safe, guys, in the DeFi space. And have an amazing day.